Hello and namaste. This is ChefArvind, and today I'm bringing the special recipe using pumpkin. So बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग रेसिपी है. बहुत सारे केक्स बनाते हैं एप्पल से, ऑरेंजेस से, स्पंज जैसे बनाते हैं वैसे ही है. सिंपल है, एग है, शुगर है, ऑयल है, फ्लावर. स्पेशल देयर इज अ सिनेमन एंड बेकिंग पाउडर. स्ट्रेट मिक्सिंग मेथड है. तो let's begin with how to start with the pumpkin, because this is the most important part of this recipe. So that's a pumpkin now, and for making puree it's very simple. You just peel the skin, then the seeds has to be removed, and after removing it, whatever you have, you can just roast in oven for about 15 minutes at 150 degrees centigrade, and then you can make it in blender. So after this is how it looks like, the puree. Alright, so what we will do, we will just mix this together to make this sponge. Alternative, you can also try this recipe with carrot. I'm not sure it's 100% works, but I'm sure it should work. Carrot puree can give you very ultimate cake sponge. Not the grated carrot, I'm talking about carrot puree. एक स्पॉन्ज बनाते हो तो सबसे पहले करते क्या है, एग और शुगर को विस्क करते हैं. तो पहले एग लेंगे, अंडे को ठंडा मत रखो, बिल्कुल रूम टेम्परेचर पे रखो, और देन विल स्टार्ट. शुगर कब डालेंगे, जब ये थोड़ा एग विप हो जाएगा. थोड़ा सा विप होगा तो अच्छा होता है. एट ए टाइम वी शुड नॉट पुट एवरीथिंग टुगेदर, तो बिल्कुल थोड़ा थोड़ा डालेंगे. It gives you a better result. Once your whole egg and sugar is whipped, the easy way to do it, you can take your pumpkin, and it's a pumpkin puree, which is roasted pumpkin puree. What you can do, you can just take a smaller quantity and you can start adding with the whipped. In case if you don't have a machine, you don't have a KitchenAid, you can just do by hand mixer also. It absolutely works. And let's start doing so. You will see the whole batter turning yellowish, and that's because of obviously a roasted pumpkin. So when you talk about the texture of this batter, it almost comes like a ribbon. It's a soft ribbon because we have already added a pumpkin puree inside this. We'll keep this here, and for mixing we take a mixing bowl and we pour all the batter. Now we have flour, spices. The spices is cinnamon. In case if you wanna use, you can increase the cardamom in case if you want, increase the cinnamon in case if you want a little bit more spicy. Very little, one by one. Just amazing. I can smell aroma of cinnamon. Now all the flour has got mixed, and now it's time to add the fat. That's a perfect way to mix. Always whenever you have to add fat, and then we mix together and wait for its complete mixing with oil, because emulsion will take time, because what we have in egg is water and we are folding with oil. It's basically water and oil emulsion is happening together, which is slightly difficult and it always takes slightly more time. तो ये हो गया बैटर रेडी, एंड नाउ बेक करने के लिए ऑब्वियसली करना क्या पड़ेगा, ऑब्वियसली ट्रे तो चाहिए. तो ये मैंने ट्रे लिया है और ये है सिलीपैट, और यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज़ बेकिंग पार्चमेंट. दोनों से भी काम हो सकता है. बेकिंग पार्चमेंट भी आप यूज़ कर सकते हो. सिलीपैट थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा, बिकॉज द फिनिशिंग ऑफ द स्पॉन्ज will come so good on this. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं बैटर पोर करना. This is the time you make sponge equal. So when we do this, we just, for making a roll, it's very important that your sponge should be really even. When I say even, because when you are even, the baking will also be very even. and the rolling becomes very easy. So I would never recommend to make the large thick sponge and then you slice and you do that. For cake roll, always make a single layer. Single layer means about half inch, or half inch should be good enough to make a roll. In case you find difficult to do so, you can also take the help of ruler. तो मैं जा रहा हूँ इसको बेक करने, और बेकिंग का जो टेम्परेचर है, you can bake at 190 degree because it's very thin. 190 degree for about 7 to 8 minutes, or maximum 10 minutes should be good enough. So this is now ready. That's a pumpkin sponge, very soft. Just transfer this on the table to cool it down. Next, what we can do is wait for it to cool down, and we will start with whipping cream, caramel pecan, because that's about the filling. So it's very simple. You can roll with vanilla, or you can choose your favorite nuts, maybe walnut. Walnut can also go well, but I'll be using pecan and caramel today. For the roll, as I said, the pecan. Now, how do I make a pecan caramel? So I have a toasted pecan nut. Pecan nut you should not mix with the caramel and do that. So it's always good you make a caramel separate and you do this. Two kind of caramel you can make. One is called water based, one is called dry caramel. I'm making dry caramel method. Just take saucepan, start heating it, and just keep doing it slowly. This way you can really make the caramel fast. Start by just adding very little sugar, and once it is melted, keep mixing it. Do not stop. Keep mixing it. What we can do, we can just pour all the caramels. So I'm taking it half a liter cream for whipping. In case if you have any other cream which is already semi sweet, you can also use. The cream what I'm using is Elevere. Obviously it does not have any sugar. So what I need to do, I have to add sugar to it, and the percentage of sugar and cream ratio is always about a liter of cream and 15% sugar. So for 500, I'm going to use about 75 gram of sugar, and that's a sufficient. Alternative, I can also use some of vanilla bean. You want to use some spice, absolutely okay. But I want to keep it more towards vanilla, so a little bit vanilla paste will help. So adding 75 gram of sugar, vanilla paste. This is vanilla cream now. So here is the pecan. What I'll do now, the pecan and caramel is very nice and balanced. What I can do, I can just slightly chop this, and you can in fact use in any of the dessert, in case if you wanna along with your ice cream, with the vanilla ice cream. This is awesome combination. But what I'm using it with vanilla today, vanilla and pumpkin inside. So sponge has got very nice skin formation. And then what we can do it, we can just turn. The skin will form on the top, and what you can do, you can always remove a little bit skin. And we topped with pecan crunch with the caramel, and we do start rolling. ठीक है, very little. So we turn this, and then at this stage what we can do, we can just hold hold it right, and then hold it here, and we just make it. This becomes so perfect, absolutely round. You keep turning, and what you can do, you can just make it nice roll, and then you can, to make sure that this looks perfect, we can also use any oval surface, like anything which is called a semi-circular surface, like a baguette tray in pastry is very, very common, so you can use that. This is how it looks. This looks amazing, and as you see on the platter, it's a very nice, very simple, elegant, done for something like you can use for like a petit gâteau. Petit means छोटा, गैतो means cake. So ये छोटा सा केक है, यूल लॉग भी इसको बोलते हैं, बट ये यूल लॉग का एक क्यूट वाला वर्जन है, तो ट्राई कर लेते हैं. अमेजिंग, बिकॉज द पम्पकिन की वजह से जो टेक्सचर है वो स्पॉन्ज का काफ़ी सॉफ्ट है, टेंडर है. ऑल्सो उसके अंदर जो वनीला सिनेमन और कॉम्बिनेशन इज़ जस्ट अमेजिंग. क्रीम रियली गोज़ वेल, एंड व्हाट आई एंजॉयड द मोस्ट इज़ द पीकन का क्रंच. सो जो पीकन का क्रंच है, इट्स जस्ट कमिंग परफेक्ट, वेरी लिटिल, वेरी शटल, but balancing with vanilla and cinnamon. So amazing recipe है क्रिसमस के लिए. थोड़ी सी स्किल की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी फोल्डिंग वाले में. आई एम श्योर आप कर लेंगे. आपने डिटेल वीडियो देखा होगा कैसे मैं फोल्ड कर रहा था. इन केस इफ़ यू फाइंड इट डिफ़िकल्ट, यू ट्राई टू रोल दिस स्पॉन्ज. मुश्किल होगा तो पहली बार ट्राई करो, दूसरी बार ट्राई करो, बट ट्राई करते रहो, एंड आई एम श्योर यू विल बी एबल टू डू इट. So on this note, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.